Hi there, YouTubers. I hope you guys can see us well, and I hope you guys can see the food well. Okay, let me rearrange some of this stuff. Anyway, today I have chicken wings, a couple of dumplings, and egg rolls. I got me a Coke, and I made some homemade sweet and sour sauce. Believe y'all, when y'all make it yourself, it's not really red like they, have it in the Chinese restaurants, but it tastes good already. Taste it. I got some hot sauce. Bless this food and everything like that. I think you guys know my daughter Sadie. So let's get started eating. I didn't get none of my silverware, but anyway, I'm gonna just start off with this stuff. Oh yeah, you can see how hot the sauce is. Don't put that straight in your mouth. Right. What you think? It's good. It's like the sweet and sour sauce you get up in the package. Or potato chips. I was gonna go buy some, but then I was like, you know what? Let me look it up. It just so happened I had almost all the ingredients except the rice vinegar, so I just used regular vinegar. But y'all, it was so easy to make, and it tastes just as good. I'm trying to see how I feel about this egg roll. 'Cause I think these are the panda egg rolls, and I usually don't get them. I like getting the ones from Chinese restaurant or whatever, or the Chinese store and cook those. But I decided I want to try them since I like their dumplings. I haven't even got Coke to drink. I felt like I just need. Excuse me. Oh yeah, I seen you made food too. I was thinking about getting some. I made some whenever I was earlier. Where'd you get the sugar from? Because I like for you to get the sugar from the bag instead of getting it from the container. It was in the corner if you would have looked. My hot sauce. Where my hot sauce? And just sprinkle some on my chicken here. Ooh. You see all that steam? I don't know if you can see it. All that from the I cooked it and then I waited a little bit too long. So I just put it in the air fryer. I heat it back up. Mm. You put some ice in it? It's cold. Mm. I don't know. I just like ice and everything. Mm. I feel like I should put more hot sauce on it. Let me see. What y'all doing in my room? What do I was dressed up for?
For a video?
How you dressed up for a video? How you know I was doing a video?
Because I didn't know that, so I just dressed up and I was gonna go in.
With what room for you?
Well, I can open it.
Mm-mm.
The middle is for me.
No. They don't. Well, here we go. You been asking me to do a video? Okay. Bottle good, Alberta? Ooh. Ah, sorry. I got my eye issue. You just want to be seen? I don't know why. I yell at her. Y'all little children. What you want? You take it. I did not clean the chicken. That way. I know. Mm. You are. You don't eat none of them, so you ain't got a banana. She wanted to feel a little special in the video. Winter done. Took my other egg roll. I don't mind. You see how long this egg roll is? Too long. I didn't even test the sound. I'm assuming that y'all can hear me. What? I don't know. The mic been charged, so I know they can hear me. I think I'm gonna charge it again after this. You want to call me with your Watson? I'm about to. You want any Watson? I don't know. You okay? The milk good? The milk does your body good? Anyway. Whew. Shake it. I feel like I need some more chicken wings. Give me chicken wings. See, this is what I wanted the other day. Ugh. Except for me, because I swear I feel like I got the burp bug. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I really needed that though. Oh my goodness. I needed that. I want some shrimp. That's what I want. I want some shrimp and sea boil. Shrimp and sea boil. I don't know. I just want shrimp. Have you ever tried a lobster, Mama? Yep. I've tried lobster like 2 or 3 times. I tried to cook it one time. Then I had that red lobster, and it's like, yeah. And then I tried to cook it at home again, and it turned out better. Once I figured out what I was doing wrong. Yeah, it's pretty good. How does a lobster taste? I don't know if I can really describe the taste of a lobster, but I'm gonna say it reminds me a little bit of crab, but not really. It's a tougher consistency to chew than the crab. Mm-hmm. You mind cookies? No, it's not. Yeah, but it's already. Why are you trying to eat those? You could eat a whole bunch of stuff. Why are you eating that? No, I'm gonna go Peppers out. Nobody listens to you. Only I feel, bro. So nothing much going on, guys. Like I said, I'm trying to do Vlogmas. So I'm gonna post like little videos here and there. Right here and there. Just something to get, some videos out there. Okay. You clicked off on raspberry. Did you clean those off? Mm. I wish them. Broken wood. They all broken. Hold on. All right, so everybody coming in here trying to eat up the rest of my food, so I'm gonna grab my chicken because at this point I don't really like the egg rolls. But
Give me one.
it's only one,
No, give it to
and I already bit out of it.
me. Give it to me. Have a bite. It's mine. Why do you feel like this such a big bite?
I ain't gonna buy them no more. Mm-mm.
I like you.
I wish I would have bought more.
Just four more look at the fridge.
I wish I would have bought more chicken, like for real. Cause I could eat some chicken wings. Give me. Go put them chicken wings inside the air fryer. Cause I saved those for Alberto. That's on the stove. You dip it. Oh, what you think of this house? What you think of this house? What you think of this house? I made the sauce. What?
You don't like the dumplings.
I don't like dumplings. Oh.
Didn't even have to taste them.
For store bought like Walmart and stuff, I like these.
Yeah. They're in the sauce. You dip them in the sauce to make that taste in the sauce. Guy, you left something in our room. Oh, okay. Don't you always? So tomorrow I hope y'all put it together.
He threw a couple of decorations on there, but not really.
Mama left it here last week. Yeah. She could have brought it herself.
You want to say bye to everybody? I'm gonna.
I'll say bye to them. Y'all, get out of here.
OMG.
Get out of here. Hello. Sorry. You didn't even Where did that come from? Where are you getting this stuff from?
Mama. You brought out of here.
Yeah, because you left it at Mama and Papa's house. I'll see ya. She'll see ya later. No, because she'll get to the bar. She'll see her later. And you forgot the rubbish. Look at Mama Connie pointing.
Okay.
Papa.
As you can see. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I know it's pretty quick.
Yeah, chicken's already gone. Yeah.
Yep.
Hi, you guys. I'm Leola Cooper. You probably see me in past videos.
Wow, your whole name.
That's okay. Look me up. Got no bad background. You probably want to blow that out.
I don't know. You probably got your whole name on the Facebook. On there anyway. On your YouTube channel. I mean, my whole name on here too. I'm mad I didn't fry more chicken. Hey! I'm mad I didn't fry more chicken because more chicken on the milk.
That one is fried chicken.
Huh? Wings. I feel so short. What? Why do I feel so down?
Fry more wings.
Yeah, but I fried everything that I had. I only bought one pack. I wish I'd bought another pack. Wings are expensive now. I think it was like $11 for that pack of wings. When it was only like $9. Man, I'm gonna have to buy a big old thing of wings, and I know exactly where I gotta go to get them. Last time I got some wings. Yeah, it lasts me for 3-4 months. All right, people.
Oh, wait, give me the rest of that.
I ain't said I was gonna give you my coat. I ain't said I was gonna give you. All right, you guys. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Peace. You just say peace, love, and hair cream. We ain't doing hair.
Peace, love, and hair grease. She needs some.
Who?
I need some too.
Her hair ain't that bad. Maybe she need a little oil, but that's about it. All right.